Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Sunday, June 7th, 2026 at 13:46. And today we have our Day 2 outlook to look at for today. So our Day 2 outlook, we have a slight risk that encompasses parts of southeastern Wyoming, northeastern Colorado, I was saying the right states. So southeastern Wyoming, southeastern Colorado, and southwestern Nebraska. We have a marginal risk that encompasses parts of western Minnesota, parts of southeastern North Dakota, eastern South Dakota, much of Nebraska, eastern Wyoming, parts of northeastern Colorado, much of Kansas, parts of west central Oklahoma, northern part of the Texas Panhandle. We also have another marginal up here encompassing parts of eastern Montana and western North Dakota. And we have another marginal over here that encompasses parts of southeastern Missouri, northeastern Arkansas, northwestern Tennessee, western Kentucky, and southern Illinois. So we do have those areas under a marginal risk for tomorrow. So let's go ahead and see what we've got. We have Greeley, Cheyenne, Evans, Scottsbluff, and Sterling under the slight, and Wichita, Sioux Falls, Fort Collins, Topeka, and Olathe under the marginal. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a 2% tornado risk that encompasses parts of southeastern Wyoming, northeastern Colorado, and southwestern Nebraska. So we do have those areas under a 2% for tomorrow. The only two places that are that we see here is Sterling and Fort Morgan under the 2%, so we could see an EF0 tornado possible in the 5% area tomorrow. Going into the wind threat for tomorrow, we have a 15% that encompasses parts of southeastern Wyoming, northeastern Colorado, and southwestern Nebraska. We have a 5% tomorrow that encompasses parts of eastern South Dakota, extreme western Minnesota, much of Nebraska, and southern South Dakota as well, eastern Wyoming, northeastern Colorado, much of Kansas, west central Oklahoma, and northern part of the Texas Panhandle. We also have another 5% over here that encompasses parts of southeastern Missouri, northeastern Arkansas, northwestern Tennessee, western Kentucky, and southern Illinois. So we do have those areas under a 5% tomorrow. We have Greeley, Cheyenne, Evans, Scottsbluff, and Sterling under the 15%, and Wichita, Sioux Falls, Fort Collins, Topeka, and Olathe under the 5%. So for the 15% area, we could see 60 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts possible, and 5% we could see 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible, so please be mindful of that. Going into the hail threat for tomorrow, we have a 15% hatch that encompasses parts of southeastern Wyoming, northeastern Colorado, and southwestern Nebraska. We have a 5% that encompasses parts of western Minnesota, southeastern North Dakota, eastern South Dakota, much of Nebraska, eastern Wyoming, northeastern Colorado, and northern to central Kansas. We have a 5% over here encompassing parts of eastern Montana and western North Dakota, and we do not have a 5% over here. So we have, for tomorrow, we have Greeley, Cheyenne, Evans, Scottsbluff, and Sterling under the significant severe, as well as the 15%, and Sioux Falls, Fort Collins, Topeka, Loveland, and Salina under the 5%. So for the 15% hatched area, we could see 1 to 3.5 inch diameter hail possible tomorrow, and 5% we could see 1 to 2, maybe 2.5 inch diameter hail possible tomorrow, so please be mindful of that. Going into the summary for tomorrow, it says scattered severe storms capable of large hail and perhaps a brief tornado and damaging gusts are possible Monday afternoon and evening in northeast Colorado, southeast Wyoming, and in the Nebraska Panhandle. Additional, more isolated occurrences of large hail and damaging winds will be possible from the Canadian border into the Oklahoma and Texas panhandles. Sporadic damaging winds may occur from the Ozark Plateau into the Mid-South. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. There's tomorrow's hail risk. There's tomorrow's wind risk. There's tomorrow's tornado risk. And there's tomorrow's Day 2 outlook. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. Yes, even if you are under a marginal risk, you still want to remain weather aware and safe, as you never know what these storms could do in the marginals. Anyway, I do really hope that you have a great rest of your day. Take today to prepare for tomorrow, and I will go over this outlook again tomorrow morning when it becomes Day 1. In the meantime, have a great rest of your day, stay weather aware, stay safe, and take care.